Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very simple way on how to cut and sew your bralette, just as you saw on the thumbnail. So what you have to do is to fold your dress on a triangular shape, just as you see me do. Then from here I'm going to be taking from my shoulder to the under bust of this person that I am making this dress for. From her shoulder to her under bust is 15.5, so I'm going to be minusing 5 inches out because I would like from that 5 inches is where I want my strap to start. So now I'm going to mark 15.5 all around. After that I will cut it out, and you know that we are going to cut about 4 pieces because we are going to be using the remaining 2 pieces as our lining. And then you go ahead and carry that same piece, that same triangular shape, and cut it on another fabric, just as you see me do here. So you guys, after I was done cutting all my 4 pieces of bralette, so this is what I have. So now for my strap, I'm going to be using, the width is about 1.5 inches, and then the length is about 30 inch. So I'll just go ahead and place it like this. You know, I was supposed to iron it first, but there is no light, so I just have to sew it like that. So I will just place it like this, right side facing each other. So you do the same on your own fabric, just as you see me do. So after that you go ahead and use your pin and secure the dress so that it will not scatter. I'm just going to pin it down like this all around to secure the dress, to make it firm. So after that I will just take it to my sewing machine and sew it around. Then I will leave the bottom open so that I will use it to turn my dress. So I will do the same thing on the other side. So after I was done sewing it, this is what it looks like. This is my bralette. So the person's under bust divided by 4 is about 7.5 inches. So I'm just going to leave about 8 inches because I want it to cover the bust very well. So what I have here is up to 12 inches. So I'll just go ahead and drag that like this. So I'll just drag it and fold it and make it 8 inches instead of 7.5. So I will do the same thing on the other side. So I will just drag it. So you guys, what we have here is 8 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on our on this other strap. So I have already cut out this other strap. So this other strap, when folded, is about 3.5 width, and then for the length is about 60. So I will just go ahead and notch my center fold. Then I will mark my under bust divided by 4, and then whatever I have, I will just go ahead and mark it, and then I'll go ahead and use my scissor and notch it so that I will not make mistake while sewing it. So after that, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and start placing this my bralette on this strap now and start sewing it. So I will just keep it like this at the center of the at our center front. So but then I'm going to make them to overlap each other, and then I'll go ahead and take it to my sewing machine. Then I will sew it all around. So after I was done sewing, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, our dress is already formed. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead and sew the other part. So I want to overlock it, so I don't want it to show that I'm like, I don't want my sewing line to show in any way. So I'm just going to stock it inside like this. Just follow what I am doing. I will stock it inside like this. So I will go ahead and hold the other edges. So I will take it to my sewing machine. I will sew it down. So after I am done sewing it, I'll bring it back to show you guys what it looks like. So just make sure that you arrange everything and make everything aligned, then you can use your pin and secure it. So after I'm done sewing it, I'll bring it back to show you guys what it looks like. So you guys, this is what it looks like. So I am done locking all the parts, so I'm done sewing. You can see how simple it is. It is not hard, so you can just use a little pieces that you have in your house, any piece of fabric that you have in your house. You can use it to sew this for yourself. You can use it to sew it and sell. So thank you guys for watching, and please do well to comment and then subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Bye, see you in my next video.